Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, the honorable judges and all the happy audience. My name is Afika Naila. I'm from MTSN2 Kebumen. Thank you for having me here. Today, I would like to tell you a famous story from East Java entitled Kebumen. Once upon a time, in a peaceful kingdom on the island of Java, there lived a wise and kind king. He had two daughters, Dewi Kalu, who was proud and jealous, and Chandrakirana, who was gentle and beautiful. Chandrakirana was engaged to a noble prince named Raden Inokatapati, the brave and wise heir to the neighboring kingdom of Kediri. The people of both kingdoms rejoiced when they heard about their upcoming marriage. Everyone in the kingdom loved Chandrakirana for her kind heart. One day, she was chosen to be the crown princess, which made Devikalu very angry and jealous. Blinded by envy, Devikalu went deep into the forest to find a dark sorceress. I want you to get rid of my sister, she cried. The evil sorceress cast a terrible spell on Chandrakirana. With a flash of lightning, the princess was transformed into a golden snail and thrown into a river far, far away. No one knew what happened to her. The kingdom was in sorrow. The king searched everywhere but couldn't find her. Meanwhile, Dorikalu took the throne and ruled with a cold heart. Far away, in a small village, an old woman lived alone near a river. One day, while she was washing clothes, she saw something shiny falling on the water. It's a golden snail. Oh my, what a beautiful creature, she said. I'll take you home. She placed the snail in a bowl and kept it in her kitchen. The next morning, she was surprised to find her house clean, food cooked, and water fetched, though she lived alone. Day after day, this happened again and again. Curious, the old woman hid behind the door to see who was helping her. To her amazement, the golden snail began to flow. It magically transformed into a beautiful young woman, Chandra Kirana. Meanwhile, Prince Inokatapati, Chandra Kirana's fiancé, had never stopped searching for her. He traveled across rivers, forests, and mountains. One night, he had a dream where a bright light led him to a small village near a river. The next morning, he followed the dream and arrived at the old woman's house. There, he saw a girl helping villagers. He recognized her face. It was Chandra Kirana. Chandra Kirana, is that really you? He cried. She smiled and nodded. Yes, my prince, the spell has been broken. True love has saved me. They hugged with joy, and the villagers clapped and cheered. Prince Inokatapati brought Chandrakirana back to the kingdom. The truth about Devika's jealousy and the darkness was revealed. She was banished from the place, and peace returned to the land. Chandrakirana became a wise and beloved queen, ruling with compassion and grace. The old woman who had saved her was given a beautiful house and lived happily ever after. And so peace returned to the land. The golden snail was no more, but the story of love, courage, and kindness will be told for generations to come. Happy audience, what can we learn from the story? From the story we can learn that kindness will always be rewarded, and jealousy will only bring pain. Goodness and patience will always lead to a happy ending. Well, that's all my story, and thanks for listening and enjoying the story. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.